Are you hungry? I sure am. I'm going to talk about 10 traditional Czech meals. I'm Katrina Zurish, an American living in České Budějovice, Czech Republic, and you're watching Czeching with Katrina. Number 1, vepřo knedlo zelo. That is a roasted pork with red cabbage and usually bread dumplings. Sometimes people will use potato dumplings as well. Number 2, goulash a knedlíky. Goulash a knedlíky is like a stew, like a beef stew in America, only without the vegetables. So it's made with onions and lots of paprika and chunks of beef, and sometimes people make it with pork, but usually beef, and then it's served next to bread dumplings, sometimes potato dumplings. Often it is topped with fresh grated horseradish and sliced onions. Number 3, svíčková. Svíčková is like a roast, but it's usually done on the stovetop with root vegetables. So carrots and parsnips, celery root, onions. And once the roast is done, the meat is removed, and then they take the vegetables and the juices and they blend it all together and then add a heavy whipping cream. And then serve it next to bread dumplings. Number 4, one of my favorites. Maso a křen a hořčice a chleb. That means meat and horseradish and mustard and bread. Very simple meal, but very good. So it's just usually meat fried or sauteed or fried over an open fire and served with mustard, horseradish, and bread. One of my favorite places to order this food is in Český Krumlov. It's a really nice dungeon-looking restaurant in this little beautiful UNESCO town with a gorgeous castle, and they make it over a huge open fire. Number 5, pečená kachna. Kind of hard for me to say, but that just simply means baked duck. It's usually served with red cabbage and potato dumplings. Number 6, žízek a bramborový salát. Žízek is really just fried pork chops. So they fry some pork chops and serve it next to potato salad. Czech potato salad is a little better than regular potato salad, but I'm not a fan of either, so I don't really eat žízek a bramborový salát. So it's also usually served with a pickle next to it, sometimes some bread. And number 7, which is almost the same thing, usually served at Christmas, which is kapr a bramborový salát. So it's pretty much the same meal. It's just, instead of fried pork, it's breaded fried carp. Now, before you get all grossed out, they do grow these carp on special farms, so they're not as slimy and bottom-feeding, nasty carp like we have in America. Number 8, which I don't eat, but I do actually enjoy cooking, and my husband loves it, koprovka omáčka. Or, for short, it's just called koprovka. And it's simply just a dill gravy over boiled eggs, usually served with bread dumplings. And finally, last but not least, one of my favorite is kurže na paprice, or kurzeci paprikaš, which is chicken with paprika. It's just a chicken and a creamy paprika sauce served with white rice, or sometimes noodles, or sometimes potatoes, or sometimes even bread dumplings. So there you have it, 9 traditional Czech foods that you can enjoy. Look them up on YouTube. You'll find plenty of people teaching you how to make them. I also plan to do some future videos making these meals, and hope you enjoy it. Dobro chut, that means good taste, and ciao! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button.